Wow, fried chicken, homemade, with French fries, homemade. Wow, so delicious. Let's eat with ketchup. Today I am very busy. More works. Keep going. I'm hungry. Guys, lagyan natin lang. Wow, so yummy. With fried chicken. Let's eat. Mm. Ha, init. Gin-marinate ko muna. Bago ko gin-boil. Para medyo maano yung, ano niya, yung meat niya. Medyo malambot. Crunchy. Kasi, yung nilagyan ko siya ng flour at saka yung eggs. Gin-mix ko tapos gin-mekos-mekos ko ito. Kagin-fry. Ang sarap. Tapos ito yung french fries ko na ginawa. Yup. Ito lang ang dinner ko. Sold na. So yummy. Okay.